Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the first day of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking good through the weekend, but storms return next week. Some of those could be strong to severe, maybe some heavy rain. Here we go. This is the upper air look. Our trough across the eastern U.S. is progressive, moving on to the east. And again, a dry air mass in place here across the deep south. Pretty chilly this morning. We've got 36 in Haleyville, 39 for Cullman. Birmingham 45. High should be in the mid-60s in most spots today, which is below average for the 1st of April. Pretty quiet morning across the country. Got some freeze warnings in effect for parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri. Got a couple of marginal risks today, one over Texas and Oklahoma, one over central Florida. Tomorrow, a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for parts of the Florida Peninsula. And day 3, Sunday, once again, a chance of severe storms over parts of South Florida. Let's go out to day 4, which is Monday. We've got a risk of severe storms over parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Day 5, Tuesday, the risk moves eastward. Risk of severe storms into parts of Alabama. And day 6, much of Alabama in a severe weather risk. So obviously things become unsettled next week. We'll talk about the specifics as we go through modeling here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Pretty good bit of rain with the system next week. We're expecting amounts between 2 and 3 inches for much of the state, and that might create some flooding concerns in that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. A zonal flow, a dry air mass, a beautiful day, sunny with mid-60s. Tomorrow, maybe a few showers near the immediate coast, but for most of Alabama, a sunny day with a high in the low 70s. And Sunday, beautiful, sunny with mid-70s. Monday of next week, we're still dry, but here comes our next system on Tuesday. The GFS with a surface low that's southwest of Indianapolis. The European has the surface low closer to Huntsville, 997 millibars. And there is unstable air in place on Tuesday. So again, it looks like a pretty classic early April setup for strong, maybe severe storms. And this is the lightning flash density product coming off the European. Thunderstorms all across the deep south. It's too early to call in terms of the specifics and the modes and the timing, but just be aware Tuesday could be an active severe weather day for the state. And then the following day, Wednesday, the 6th of April, that lead feature is on by. Then a cold front comes in, and that could bring a line of storms. So the better chance of tornado activity would be Tuesday. This deal Wednesday would be a linear system with a chance of strong straight line winds. If there's any instability left, and the European suggesting there could be on Wednesday. So we are looking at a 2-day severe weather potential next week. And then Thursday, everything is on by. We start to turn cooler. We could reach the low 80s on Wednesday, but noticeably cooler on Thursday. And this is a week from today, Friday, the 8th of April, big trough over the east and a pretty cool air mass settling in here. Temperature should be well below average late next week, and that might set up a late season frost or freeze threat, probably by Saturday morning, April 9th. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 10th, troughing moving on, and again, we're in a dry air mass. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches, and a lot of that's going to be next week. This is between now and the 16th of April. The national blend of models suggesting we might see low 80s on Wednesday and then the high Friday dropping to 63. And it's got 41 on Saturday the 9th, but don't be shocked if those numbers come down. That might be a frost freeze threat for the state. Our typical late season freeze here in first part of April. And the latest CPC guidance, April 8th through the 14th. Again, we stay in the blue, meaning temperatures will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.